Welcome to Duo Dev Expenses, your partner in financial freedom. On the homepage, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive interface. You can immediately see the platform's key benefits. It's 100% free, secure, and private, and extremely easy to use. Click on Get Started Free to begin your journey. Now we're at the registration page. Here you'll enter your full name, email address, and a strong password. Confirm your password, agree to the terms and privacy policy, and then click on Create My Account. You can also choose to register directly using Google for a faster experience. This step ensures your account is set up securely. If you'd like to review how your data is handled, you can explore the privacy policy. The platform emphasizes transparency, user control, and a strong commitment to never sell your data. They use bank-level encryption to keep your information safe. You can return to registration once you're done reading. Once your email is verified, you'll be welcomed by name. The onboarding begins with a streamlined 4-step setup. You're just a few minutes away from fully setting up your financial management system. The first step is to create your primary wallet. Choose your wallet type, such as a UPI wallet, give it a name, and set your initial balance. Then select your currency from the list of supported international options. Click Next to continue. Next, you'll create your first expense category. Categories help you organize and track expenses easily. Enter a name, like groceries, or pick from popular options such as transportation, entertainment, or utilities. Click Next to proceed. Now, add someone to share expenses with. You can add yourself, a spouse, or a family member. This makes it easy to track shared costs and manage budgets with others. Once done, hit Next. In the last step, set your default currency and time zone. This ensures that all financial data is localized for your region. Click Finish Setup to complete onboarding. You've successfully onboarded. You'll now arrive at your personalized dashboard, where you can manage transactions, categories, wallets, and budgets. Track income and expenses, view trends, and get smart insights, all from one place. That's it. You're now ready to take full control of your money with Duo Dev Expenses. If you need help, our support team is just a click away. Thank you for signing up, and happy budgeting.